Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will be testing out these new hairbrushes I got generously from Aimike. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I hope I am, and they've generously enough sent me their brushes to try out, and I'm going to try it out with a straightened out blow dry look I like to do sometimes. So let me show you the brushes. I'm going to unbox them. This is their Nano Tech Pro hairbrush. So this is supposed to be like a circular brush, which is perfect for blow drying. As you ladies know, this is me showing you quickly. Horrible representation, but I really like the color and the bristles. There's like a lot of like depth and different like heights to the bristles, and there's a lot of texture on the handle itself that helps it, you know, from flying out your hand. Happens to me sometimes, I don't know. Yeah, no, I really like it, so I'm excited to try this one out. Next, we have their Hemp Relax hairbrush, which is supposed to be like good at detangling and supposed to calm the hair follicles and be easier at detangling with the hemp technology. So I'm excited to see if it does the trick. I tried it out with my curly hair, and it didn't seem to, you know, catch it very well, and it wasn't very, even with the knots, like it went through them pretty well. So I'm excited to see with wet hair. They also provided some clips, which are always useful in hairstyling, you know, if you want to separate chunks of your hair so you can, you know, blow dry one section at a time, or, you know, style one section at a time. Super useful. And these are really good clips and they hold pretty well, so thank you. Now let's get into the styling part of the video where I actually put these tools to practice. So when I showered, I didn't use conditioner, I just used shampoo, and that's because I'm using the K18 Biomimetic Hairscience, I think that's what it's called. It's like a leave-in mask. It really helps with frizz when you blow dry. All you need is 3 pumps, and you just kind of bring it through your hair like so. And I went an extra step and brushed my hair with the detangler brush, hemp brush from Aimike, and I just love this design. Like, the back is such a cool, interesting design. I've never seen an airbrush like this, so I just want to add that the design is really beautiful and I really like it. And besides, it works great with wet hair, which I tested out here, as well as dry hair at detangling. So this is a game changer for detangling brushes, so I really highly recommend this. Usually after I use that, I'll use the Color Wow Dream Coat spray, which also helps with that frizz issue I have when blow drying my hair. And I really like this stuff. It really works. Yeah, so highly recommend. It'll be linked, as well as everything, all the products you'll see in this video will be linked, all in the description. Then after that, my final spray, I use the Chi 44 Iron Guard, which is a heat spray. So this is just added protection for my hair because I'm going to use heat from the blow dryer and want to make sure we don't cause more frizz, which is caused by breakage, which is caused by using heat tools, ladies. So gotta be careful. Next, I'm just gonna section my hair very quickly. I just do half, you know, half up, half down kind of deal. You can be a little bit, you know, more technical and do a bit more sections to get, you know, a better result. But I'm more of, you know, I like to do things in the more efficient way because I'll do them more often. If I do it that way, I'll never do it because I'll never have the time. So this is just a quick tutorial how I like to, you know, from wet hair, make my hair kind of like a straight but volumized dry blowout. So let's get started. For this, I got back out my gold Aimike brush, and I'm gonna give you a little closer up look of the bristles, which you can see the different heights to them. I believe that's the Nano technology. So we're gonna see how this works with my blow dryer. So I'm gonna speed through this just to save you the painfulness of watching the whole thing. So we'll see the end result, and I'll see you at the end. So I've completed the blow drying, and final step, I'm just gonna brush through my hair one more time with that hemp brush detangler from Aimike, and you can see my hair is pretty straight from where it was. I usually have pretty wavy kind of curly hair, so this is after wet hair to dry hair, and the frizz is very low for me, so I think successful on all fronts. Of course, you can't avoid all frizz, but this eliminates the majority. So I want to thank you all for making it to the end of this video, and I want to thank Aimike, the sponsor of this video, as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you like my channel, please subscribe and support the content. It would mean so much to me. It's just one click of a button for you, but it means the world to me. And if you feel inclined to comment, please do so. Happy to see you guys, and hope to see you in the next video next week. Bye!